Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Jacqueline and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Jacqueline. Let me say first, I'm an obsessed fan of your work and have yet to come across any project that you have created that I didn't absolutely love. Thank you, Jacqueline. That is so sweet. My son and his fiance are getting married next year and I have been chosen to do the centerpieces for the tables. I found the centerpiece below and fell in love with it. Can you help me create the centerpiece on a budget with a bouquet on top? I love elegance. The colors are blush, cream, and gold. I look forward to viewing your rendition. Well, Jacqueline, not only am I going to help you do this, it's going to be on an awesome budget because we're going to create that rhinestone vase that you see in your inspiration picture for $7. Yep, you heard right, a $7 rhinestone vase. I am so excited to share with you this week's project, Rhinestone Wedding Centerpiece with a $7 rhinestone vase. So guys, let's get started. To create our vase, we're going to use our 2 Pilsner glasses that we purchased from the Dollar Tree, as well as our trusty E6000. Be sure to allow the glasses to dry at least 2 to 3 hours before continuing the project. I have pre-cut and measured out 5 strands of my rhinestone garland so that it'll apply much easier to my Pilsner glass. Starting at the top base of my Pilsner glass, I'm going to attach the rhinestone garland using my hot glue, dabbing a little hot glue every probably inch to inch and a half of the garland to make sure it stays in place. You're going to continue this pattern all the way up, and as you go up, you will notice to line up your rhinestones, you will need to have more of a diagonal applique on the back, which is perfectly fine because we've left just enough garland to overlap and that you can trim it later. You're going to repeat those very same steps on your bottom glass base. To fill in the center of our vase, I've taken a 6-inch strand of gem garland and I've trimmed it down to singles for easy application. Now that our $7 rhinestone vase is complete, let's move on to our gem embellishments. And for that, I'm going to use 26 gauge floor wire and some gem embellishment flatbacks. It's super simple. You're going to simply cut your wire into about 6-inch sections. You're going to twist the end to a hook, bend your hook down to create a platform to hot glue your embellishment onto. Give it about 10 minutes to dry and set up, and it is ready to attach to your bouquet. Well, Jacqueline, what do you think? I hope it's elegant enough for your son and your future daughter-in-law's beautiful wedding, and we want to thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of your special day. If you like this centerpiece, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our centerpieces our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that little bell down there in the corner and you will get a special note directly from us the moment the videos are live. We so appreciate you watching, and if you have a comment or a question, by all means put it in the comment section. I answer all of the questions. Sometimes it takes me a little longer than other times, depending on our schedule, but it is me you're talking to, and it's me you're getting the answers from, not one of our other team members. Also, if you would like, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what in the world are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's so super simple. We love it. We use it. You simply go onto the link below, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Go do it now. Also, you can check out our store by clicking right there in the corner or going down the description. We have some awesome planning guides. You guys are loving our Maid of Honor planning guide. I'm so happy it's helping you, and I cannot wait to add more things to our store. So head on over to our store, MissPlanItShop.com, and check it out. And speaking of stores, I am so excited to announce that very, very soon we will be launching our own artificial flowers on Amazon. We have been working on this for months. I'm so excited to share. And yes, those are our roses that I am using in this week's project. They're going to be on sale soon. And if you want to know when they're on sale, sign up for our newsletter. You sign up for the newsletter, you will know the moment that the products are available. They're coming very soon. I'm super, super excited. We're actually going to have 4 colors to start, and you're seeing the products in our projects right now. This week's project was featuring them. In addition to that, if you just want to hang out with me some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. Click right there in that corner or down in the description, and you can hang out with me on our Miss Planet home channel, which is only on our website. That is a place where I do projects for my own home and the homes of my family and friends, and we just hang out and have a good time. So if you want some more time with me, head on over there. We just are so grateful for you guys watching, and we want to thank you for taking this time out. Don't forget that all the links to all the project supplies as well as the project costs are right down below in that description. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will have all the information there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got the supplies from. You don't have to wonder how much it costs. It's all there for you so that you can plan and budget. And you can do that with one of our planners at our store. So it all ties in. It's all there to help you, because that is what we are here for, to help you create the wedding of your dreams or project or event of your dreams on a budget. So with that being said, our time has come to an end. So always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.